Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. PDF generation is a common task in various applications, ranging from generating reports to creating invoices and more. In Python, you have several options for generating PDFs, including both open source and proprietary libraries. In this tutorial, we will focus on free and open source software, FOSS, options for PDF generation in Python. We will explore two popular FOSS libraries for generating PDFs. reportlab, a powerful Python library for creating complex PDF documents. weasyprint, a simple and easy-to-use library that renders HTML/CSS to PDF. Let's dive into each library with code examples. reportlab is a versatile and powerful library for creating PDF documents programmatically. It provides fine-grained control over the PDF's layout and content. To get started, you'll need to install reportlab using pip. Here's a simple example of how to create a PDF document using reportlab. This code creates a PDF document with a single page and adds the text "Hello, reportlab" to it. You can customize the layout and content further according to your needs. weasyprint is a Python library that renders HTML and CSS to PDF. It's particularly useful when you have HTML content that you want to convert to PDF format. To install weasyprint, use pip. Here's an example of how to use weasyprint to convert HTML to a PDF. In this example, we create a simple HTML string and use weasyprint to convert it into a PDF document. You can style and structure your HTML content as needed, and weasyprint will render it into a PDF. Both reportlab and weasyprint offer extensive documentation and features for more advanced PDF generation tasks. Choose the one that best suits your project's requirements. In this tutorial, we introduced you to two popular FOSS libraries for PDF generation in Python, reportlab and weasyprint. Depending on your project's needs, you can choose between these libraries to create PDF documents programmatically or convert HTML/CSS content to PDF. Explore their documentation and advanced features to unlock their full potential in your Python applications. ChatGPT.